Keratin treatment will straighten your hair like a flat iron, instantly and permanently, right? Wrong. That's one of the biggest myths about keratin treatments. Keratin isn't actually a chemical straightener. It's a smoothing treatment designed to reduce frizz, add shine, and make hair more manageable, not pin straight. Your natural texture stays, just softer and sleeker. Think less puff, more polish. Depending on your hair type and the formula used, it can reduce curls. But the goal is to repair, not transform. If you want straight results, communicate clearly with your stylist. There are different types of keratin treatments. Some are stronger, some milder. Ask which one fits your hair goals. Aftercare is everything. To keep the results lasting 3 to 5 months, avoid sulfates in your shampoo and don't wash too often. Heat protectants are a must. If you live in a humid area or battle constant frizz, keratin can be a game changer. You'll spend less time blow drying, less time fighting with your brush, and more time enjoying smooth, healthy-looking hair. So no, keratin won't turn curls into poker straight strands overnight, but it will make your hair softer, shinier, and way easier to handle. Thinking of trying it? Drop your questions in the comments and follow for more honest hair tips and reviews.